Well, I'm happy that you like your hair. Hey everyone, I am S2 and today we will be unboxing a very popular Aliexpress product. Drumroll, it is a clip-on hair extension. Not a wig, a hair extension. They're super popular in China among celebrities. There's this clip that we saw where there's a celebrity going on a talk show and he's like flipping his hair. Everyone thinks it's real, but then the clip-in hair extension half falls off. Insert clip. It's pretty funny. Your personal hairdresser. You don't need to go to a hairdresser anymore. The value of this box is around $30. Wow. So this doesn't officially come in the box. You have to actually go in and pick different lengths, which is what Nikki did. She picked various different lengths, which are actually indicated like on the sticker on top. Nikki likes surprises. So here we are with 100 different sizes of clip-in extensions that I shall be trying. The whole point being they're supposed to look natural. You're only supposed to put them on wherever you're balding, you know, just to blend in with your own hair texture. And you can mix and match colors. So we are going to try the purple one. Ooh. And you can just give it a quick brush. And the way to do this is there's a clip-in, right? This is how you pop it open, and you're supposed to go in the intersections of your hair. So I'm going to try to do this. Wow, look at me, just don't mind me playing with my natural hair. Oh hi, this feels pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And then it's like pretty sturdy in there. Like, let's do a couple of moves. Try to party. If someone's like, hey, do you want to go for a drink? You say no. So each one is $1.50. That's a really good price because as we know, wigs can get quite expensive. This color is so beautiful. And I will go kind of right next to where I put that one in prior and just try to clip it on. And it's also, again, very sturdy. Now I have another layer of hair. This bad boy is curly, comes in 3 parts, and instantly will make me look like Rapunzel. So I'll probably go on my sides first. It's actually really easy to wear, I'm not gonna lie. It's like one side of my hair is instantly transformed. Wow, look at that. Woo! Okay, now we're gonna go on this side. And I think you just have to find like wherever it feels best for you. So wherever it can clip into the most hair. Oh my god, that's a lot of hair. Cool, so you go on one side, clip it on the other, and then give it a close. Oh my, I have a full head of hair. And then you can do whatever you feel like with it. Although I'm shedding everywhere, like a little puppy. But hey, at least I have long, beautiful hair. So this boosts your volume, meaning if you're balding somewhere in a particular spot, then you can actually just wear this in that spot and mix it in with your natural hair. For example, this would be very appropriate for my dad. Sorry, Dad. He knows that he can use it. They look like giant eyebrows. Jesus. Well, there we are. All natural. I don't think it looks that awful.
You can't see it at all.
Really? It blends right in?
Yeah.
You think it's my real hair?
Yeah.
It is.
Turn around. Besides the color though.
Ta-da! We have someone that we can try our clip-in hair extensions with, so you guys can see that how it would change her look. She has a bit longer hair than I do, clearly, and so we're gonna let her pick her own hair extension color. Blonde and green. What a choice. One more.
Pink.
Yes. Dun, dun, dun. Well, I'm happy that you like your hair. So we're basically just going around finding people who would think they don't have enough hair. La la! Presenting another beautiful lady. And we're gonna add these voluptuous bits of hair on each side and see if she thinks that it has helped her gain more volume. Oh, it did give her more volume. This side is like more poofy than before. How do you feel? Like you have more volume?
I don't feel anything.
She doesn't feel anything. Good. You're not supposed to feel anything. So Nikki's always complaining about how I don't know how to put in clip-in hair extensions. Now we're gonna put clip-in hair extensions in her hair. As I start clipping it out, she's gonna be like, that's not good there. Do it here instead. Okay. Let's go in. Do you want to increase your length or do you want more volume?
I just want more volume. I'm getting bold. I'm filming this unboxing express for you guys, so better subscribe and like the channel.
Okay, we're gonna go in right here for Nikki.
How do I look?
Whoa! It does increase her volume. That literally is like the same texture and the same color as her own hair. So it does give her a little bit more volume. Look at her just flicking her hair, feeling herself. So, after torturing multiple people and producing headaches around the office, we have determined that these are very, very cheap, one. Number two, some of them are pretty useful. And it comes with various different options. Again, if you liked what we did today, please like and subscribe our content. And we'll be back with more videos for you.